So this here is a Reese custom home. This is the Ellen plan. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath, 3215 square feet. Mission Ranch has developed a lot of homes, and you have some lots that still are available, and you have some people who have moved in already. And so make sure you reach out to me as far as knowing about some of the incentives that they do have going on right now until the end of the year. So make sure you call, text, so that I can be able to show you and let you know of some incentives. But let's go ahead and take a look at this Reese home. Like the patio, have some space to be able to sit out on the front porch. Right when you walk in, welcome. To the right, you have a study room with the interior design wall. Here you have a little space for your office that have the glass doors where you can be able to close but also see what is going on. And then as you come out of here, you can have your first bedroom. Now this here does have your own closet built in shelves. One thing you do have your coat closet or your utility closet. Come in here. Love the glass shower with the towel all around. Sliding door. And you do have an upstairs that we'll take a look at here in a second. But love this open floor plan. Start in the kitchen. Custom cabinets. Dining room table for your family gathering. Love the brick background. Then you have your living room space with your high ceilings. Man, they've done an awesome job at just make sure this have a lot of great natural light. So we'll take a look at there. But let's go over here to the left where we will be able to find 2 bedrooms. So this is the first bedroom. Of course, each one will have their own closet with the built-in shelves, which I always think is helpful, whether you have kids or whether it's an office space or just an extra storage space. You can put some of the things there that sometimes you need to see right away when you open up the closet. And then as we go over, you have your shared bathroom, full-size bathroom, have a tub and a shower. I love this white tile that they built around. Then you have a his and her sink. Then here you have the third bedroom. Right when you walk in, has a good view of the front, but then also a good size. So if you have kids and you want them to kind of be right across from each other, this is good. Or you can use this as a extra guest room. So if we go back out here and take a look, we will get a chance to go into the master bedroom. So let's go ahead and take a look at that. So right when you walk in, real good open space, king size bed. And when you walk into the master bathroom, which is oftentimes the biggest determiner, you have the separated his and her sink. You have your standalone tub. Then look at this shower. And that's a beautiful, beautiful shower. Then you have your standalone stall. Then you have your wonderful walk-in closet with your built-in shelves. Love that. Enough shoes and watches and the ties. Then from there, you have your laundry room that you walk into. And then this is going to be your mud room. Got your drawers down there. Then this is going to give you access to the garage. Still got a couple items in there. Your little pantry right off the kitchen. And then we can make sure we go outside and take a look at the backyard. Very spacious backyard. Has a built-in grill, fan, does have covered. So real good for pets, family. Has a little bit of a downward slope. So anytime it rains, you can make sure it drains towards the back. Has a little bit. So let's go inside and take a look at our last room. Now this last room upstairs is going to be your game room, but it has been considered an extra bedroom because it'll have everything that you'll need from a closet and bathroom. You can be able to see over top. And this is ideally can be, like you said, used for a little study over here as well. Have the shelves built in, brick background. And then you also have your closet space, and then that's just going to give you access to the attic. So you'll be able to store any of your extra Christmas goods and any other yearly festivities. And then here you just have a full-size bathroom. So let me know what you think about this Reese Custom Home in Mission Ranch. If you have any questions or something that I missed, make sure you call, text, or schedule a time. Or if you want to know more about those incentives that they have going as of right now, please reach out. But hopefully this tour of this Reese Custom Home in Mission Ranch community was helpful. And I look forward to seeing you next time.